dancer, welcome to Ladies Dancer Tips. I'm Alessia. I haven't said this in a while and I really wanted to say it again. So I've been thinking for a while and I wanted to actually create something a little bit more juicy for you. I've been listening to your comments and I know that you've been trying to get your head around into making ballet part of your life or really learning ballet and learning the very basic steps. So in the meantime, what I've been doing is I've been thinking and I came out with this ballet basics for adults, right? And it is going to be a series. So let me explain how it works and how we're gonna get into it. Every other day, I'm going to be posting a new step, starting from the very beginning until the very end. Well, for now, you never know. It's a series. We've all been binge watching series on Netflix, so why not binge watch something like this that you enjoy and it also makes you feel good? Because warning, ballet will make you tone up, it will make you feel good, it will make you smile, and you will learn a skill that is going to stay with you forever. And plus, is going to rekindle that childhood dream that you've probably put in the drawer for a long time. So let me explain how this works. We are going to be posting every other day a new step, which it's going to be explaining where it comes from, what the name of the step is, the Frenchiness of it, the technique of it, and you'll be able to practice with the exercise that goes with the actual step. Obviously, I wanted to make it super easy for you and good to track your progress every single day. So I have created a guide that is complementary to the series. You just need to download it. It's gonna be in the description box down below. Make sure you download it so you can tick every single day. You can remind yourself of all the steps and plus you'll know exactly how to practice at its best these series. Because I'll tell you exactly how it works, okay? So make sure that you put the bell on. It's gonna be down there, you know, the little bell. Press it so you know exactly what comes every other day and we'll be dancing. I didn't want you to get overwhelmed. So you're gonna have time to dance, to practice, make it all sink into your body and brain and then pass on to the next step. How does that sound? Sounds good? Okay. And be prepared to put your ballet frock on, whatever you desire, whatever makes you feel good. Put your hair up into a bun or super crazy, whatever makes you feel good, and we're gonna start dancing. Are you ready? If so, leave me a comment down below because I want to know if you're in. Tell me you're in. I'll be waiting for you tomorrow for the very first part of the series. Come on, let's binge watch dance, the new ballet basics for adults. I'll see you tomorrow. Remember to download the guide and calendar to keep track of your progress and path. It's down in the description box below. You just need to click on the link and download it. Plus remember, if this is the very first time that you get around here, the playlist is going to be linked up there so you can start from scratch from the very first exercise that we did. Let's do it.